guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today we're doing floral nails, but with those trendy little flowers that you put the caviar bead in the middle. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get started. So first we're gonna go in with Orly Bonder for our base coat. And then we are going to go with Orly in the shade Manuka Me Crazy to get started. So you may have noticed that my fingernails are not my natural nails. They're all Gel-X type press-ons. And so the reason for that is because these two had broken and then this one broke, and I was like, you know what? We might as well just start over, grow them all from scratch. So I went ahead and cut off the last two and just started over. And really my other hand is just as terrible of condition, so I might as well just do it as well. But today is not about that hand. That hand's turn will come. Okay, as you can see, I have already gone in and changed one nail, but we're putting on China Glaze in the shade Chalk Me Up. But we're gonna gradient it with the Manuka Me Crazy, at least on these three. Some people call that ombre. Same thing. That did not go as well as I had hoped. The blue just wasn't showing up because it was sucking up in the sponge. So we did it with the ombre brush, but now we're gonna try and blend and seal with this quick dry top coat from China Glaze. As you know, top coat is a solvent, and so it makes the polish you put it on melt just a little bit. So I'm hoping that'll go ahead and smooth these colors in together. Alright, so we're actually going to go in and sugar this nail with Kiara Sky in the shade of Quartz. It's just a raw white glitter. Ew, there seems to be a contaminant in it, but it should show the color still through it. And to adhere, we're just going to use this Orly Bonder base since it's what I already have over here. Yeah, so that's pretty. Alright, and while we wait for that to dry, let's go in and start putting on some of these flowers. I've picked out some large ones and some small ones in this blue shade, and we're going to put them on with 4 Rhinestones only from China Glaze. I think that's cute. And then, as you know, these flowers are usually filled in with caviar beads, so I've got a collection of tiny ones here that I'm just gonna start putting in. So let's just put a little dab of this stickum in here, and then we'll put these in. Yep, just like that. And I'm probably gonna have to like go over all of this to seal it all in, just because it is precarious and I want these to stay. So we'll give those a moment to dry. Alright, so here's what we've got. I did go in and, you know, paint around this a little more with some more 4 Rhinestones only, just to really adhere those flowers. I dusted off my sugar nail. It's looking real good. Let me zoom y'all in. What do you think? I think it's pretty cute. I am definitely going to get you some outside photos as per the usual. Let me know if you like this. I think it is adorable. I was considering putting some white flowers in as well, but to be fair, I just forgot. But I don't mind, because I don't mind what this looks like. And the thumb is cute too. I did think about maybe putting some rhinestones on here, but I feel like if I were to do that, it would really just be too much. So I think I am going to stop. This looks good. It gives me summer vibes, even though it's still spring. It is adorable. I think I am going to use this technique when it comes to the beach nails for the blending. So I'm gonna keep that in mind. I really like how sparkly this one is. But thank you for your likes and your comments. Thank you for subscribing. Definitely make sure that you are. Sometimes you've just been watching the videos and they are not subscribed. So go ahead and check. Hit that subscribe button. We are getting ever closer to 500 for the giveaway. And if you want to check out my Etsy store, it's in the description. There's a couple of nail sets in there if you're interested. Oh yes, let me know if there's any particular nail styles or themes or decorations or anything like that that you would want to see with regular nail polish in particular. I know everything happens with gel here, but gel is not my main medium. So if there's anything you do want to see, definitely let me know and I can work it into the schedule. But other than that, thank you again for watching my video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.